Welcome students. Today we shall learn about gender of the names. Names have gender. Gender means some names are used for males or he. We call them names of masculine gender. He names. Some names are used for female, means she names. We call them feminine gender or she names. For example, boy, he is a boy. Masculine gender or he name. She name or feminine gender of boy will be girl. She is a girl. Like that, we have other names. Father, masculine gender. Mother, feminine gender. Man, masculine gender. Woman, feminine gender. Mark the pronunciation. We speak man, man. But we speak woman as woman. Woman, that is a man. He is walking on the road. That is a woman. She is driving a scooter. Like that, sir. If the person is male, he, sir is used. Madam, king is a masculine gender name. Ashoka was the great king. He was very brave. He name. King. Queen. She name. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a brave queen. Tiger, Tiger, tiger. Male tiger, female tiger. Mark the spelling. TIGERESS. We add double S to make it feminine gender, tigress. Lion, lioness. ESS. Sometimes we add ESS to make feminine gender. For example, prince, princess, tiger, tigress, lion, lioness. There are some irregular ways. Sun, daughter. Bull, cow. Bull and son are the names of masculine gender. Cow and daughter are the names of feminine gender. Now we have some names that are used either for male or he, or for female or she. They are common to both. Therefore we call them common gender, used for he or she. For example, baby. Baby boy is also a baby. Baby girl is also a baby. So baby is a common gender name for boy or a girl. Child is also a common gender name for a boy child or a girl child. Cousin, for a boy cousin or a girl child. Person, maybe he or she. Servant, maybe he or she. Teacher, maybe he or she. But for he teacher we also use sir. For she teacher we use madam. Teacher is common to both, but sir is used for he teacher, masculine gender. Madam is used for she teacher, feminine gender. Tiger, he name. Tigress, she name. Lion, he name. Lioness, she name. Cub, young one of a lion or tiger. Now doctor, for man doctor we also use doctor. For woman doctor we also use doctor. Calf, calf of the cow, whether it may be he calf or she calf. Sometimes we use he or she before the name. For example, goat. He got, a male goat. She got, a female goat. Now, there are some names of non-living things or animals or trees, birds, etc. They are put in neuter gender. They are neither male or female or common. For example, toy. Toy is a non-living thing. Chair. Chair is a non-living thing. Ruler is a non-living thing. Chalk, parrot, book, flower, cup, donkey, jug. These are all non-living things. Blackboard, wall, like that. Non-living thing names are called neuter gender names, neuter gender nouns. They are neither male nor female. Now, a noun may be countable or uncountable. For example, pencil. We can count pencil 1, 2, 3. One pencil, many pencils. But we cannot count some names like water, sugar, oil. They are not countable names, countable nouns. They are called uncountable nouns or uncountable names. So, if the name, countable name, denotes one, we call it name of singular number, single, name of singular number, used for one. If the name denotes more than one thing, we call it the name of plural number. It denotes more than one, that is many. One box, many boxes. One chair, many chairs. One boy, many boys. Like that. Boy, singular. One boy, boys, many boys. One girl, many girls. One apple, many apples. One dog, many dogs. One pencil, many pencils. One table, many tables. Now mark here. To convert singular number name for one, to plural number name for many, we add s at the end of the names. It is a general rule. So adding s at the end of the name, we convert name for one to name for many. That is from singular to plural. But there are some names ending with s or ending with ch or sh or x or o. So for this type of names, how do we convert them singular to plural? For example, glass, we add es in place of s. Glasses. Fox. Fox is an animal. Foxes. Box. Boxes. But there is one exception. Ox becomes oxen instead of oxes. Mark it well. So this is an exception. One ox, many oxen. There are some exceptions too. We have to take it into consideration. Mark it well. Bench, B-A-N-C-H. B-A-N-C-H-E-S, benches. We added E-S. E-S. Potato, ending in O. Tomato, ending in O. One potato, one tomato. More than one potato, potatoes, ES. More than one tomato, tomatoes, ES. Brush, B-R-U-S-H. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Branches, branch, branches. Like that. Now one many, there are some irregular names changing in an irregular way. For example, M-A-N, one man. But for many, more than one, we change this vowel A to E. M-E-N, many men. One man, one M-A-N. Many men, many M-E-N. Like that, woman, women. Child, one child. More than one child. It turns into children, not childs. It is an irregular way to convert child from singular to plural. Child becomes children. One child, many children. Like that, one ox, many oxen. Like that, hero and photo are two exceptions. Even though they have O at the end, we do not add es, but simply add s at the end to make it plural. These two names are exceptions to the general rule of converting singular to plural ending in O. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, becomes potatoes. But here, hero, H-E-R-O, doesn't become H-E-R-O-E-S. We add only S, H-E-R-O-S, heroes. Like that, photo. Photo becomes photos, P-H-O-T-O-S. Thus, dear children, we have learned gender and number of the names. Thank you and have a nice day.